Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming backups and access. This is why removing a Play Store Google ID can unlink purchases and app data. Once done, open Settings and go to Accounts or Users and Accounts. Tap the Google entry you intend to remove. Make sure no critical sync tasks are running. If the device is company managed, check with admin first. You will see account sync details. This tells you what will be impacted, so pause and note anything you must restore later. Now remove the account. In Accounts, select the target Google account and tap Remove Account. Confirm the prompts to complete sign-out. If the Remove button is unavailable, clear data for Google Play Services and Play Store. This often surfaces the Remove option. If the account is a device administrator, go to Security Device Admin Apps and revoke admin rights first. Make sure you understand why clearing data helps. It resets local account state, so Play Store will accept the change. Finish by restarting the device and opening Play Store to confirm the account is gone or a sign and prompt appears. If Play Store still shows the old ID, remove the account via Accounts. Google. Com from a browser, then reboot. As a final option, Factory Reset will remove persistent enrollments only after backup. If a problem persists, check Device Admin or Enterprise Enrollment. Sometimes corporate profiles lock account removal. Remember,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.